Hi everyone, thanks a lot for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one detan face mask which really helps your skin to get detanned. Recently I went to a short trip, holiday trip, and I got exposed to too much sunlight. Usually I don't go out that often, so my skin does not get tan so easily, but in this trip I was almost outside. Every time I was outside, so my skin really got tanned, and I really wanted to take the tan off. Like, I really wanted something, some home remedy for taking the tan out. So I just searched online and I found this face pack which I think would work. I will apply it in front of you and I'll see in front of you if it works or not. And by the way, my home is right beside the street. That's why you can hear so many vehicles passing by. Just ignore that. To mention one thing here, a lot of you or a lot of people point out, watching my videos, my skincare videos, that I should at least wear minimal makeup. Now I don't think I should apply makeup to show you any skincare video. Like, I don't want to show any skincare with my makeup on, because I want you guys to see the actual result. I don't want you guys to be fooled, because I have seen so many YouTubers. What they do is they apply some makeup and they show you their skincare, like the home remedies of the skincare and whatever. They just apply some makeup and then they show it to you. So what happens is you cannot see the actual result. So I just don't want, I don't care if I look ugly or whatever. I just don't care. I just want you guys to see what actually happens, or when I apply, or when I use the skincare, or when I do the skincare videos. And I think you are getting my point. And I have got so many hate comments, or so many comments, that I look ugly. I should apply some makeup at least before facing the camera, or I have to be presentable all the time since I'm a YouTuber. I don't care. I really don't care that I'm not presentable, or I just FO. I that that's the point I wanted to mention. Previously, I thought I would just do a voiceover in this face pack video, but I thought I have to pinpoint, specially pinpoint this this thing, that for the people, I don't want my viewers to be fooled, or I don't want to mislead my viewers. I just want them to see the actual results. What I do in front of camera. I just don't do anything off camera and come back to you and show you my fake face. I just don't do that. It does not work for me, and I think it does not work for anyone else. So I'm feeling very relieved. Okay, so it's just so many blabbering. I just wanted to let it out in front of camera. Okay, I'll just start with my detan face pack. Okay. For the detan pack, you need some rice flour. I have bought some rice flour from the market. You can grind some rice at your home only. So this is some rice powder, and then you will need some tomato pulp. I have grated some tomato. It's half a tomato, half a small size tomato. So that's the tomato pulp. And next you will be needing some turmeric powder. So here's the turmeric powder, and some milk. So all these, okay. I don't know, some milk. Okay, so all these ingredients combined helps in detanning your skin, and these are known for their skin lightening property and all those good things. So let's just mix everything together. In my rice flour, I'm going to be adding the tomato pulp. In goes the tomato pulp, And then I will add, this is about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I'm just going to take half of it. I just don't want my skin to look yellow, so I'm just taking half of it. I think it is enough. So a quarter teaspoon is enough, I think. And then this is about 2 tablespoons of milk. So I'm just going to add all of it. Not all, just half. I just want the consistency to be applicable. Let's just mix everything. I've taken all the milk and I'm just milking. TMR. So the face pack looks like this. It doesn't have to be very thick or thin. It has to be of right consistency, like applicable consistency. So it's just right for me. So I'll just apply it with the help of a brush. I've already washed my face to open my pores, and I'm just going to apply this mask all over my face. I will just massage it onto my skin, the whole face mask. I will massage it for 2 minutes. Lightly I will massage it all. So it acts as a scrubber too. Because rice flour has some granules in it, that's why it acts as a scrub as well. And tomato tightens your pores, it tightens the skin, and it lightens the skin tone as well. It's about 2 minutes, and I'm not going to wash it off. I'll let it stay here for about 10 to 15 minutes, then I'll wash it off and I'll show you the end result. So I just took bath, and my face really feels very soft after this. I will apply some moisturizer though. Just make sure you apply some moisturizer. I will go with my normal skincare routine. I use this Body Shop vitamin E oil first, and I'll just take 4 drops of it, 4, and then I'll apply it all over my face. And then I use my moisturizer. I use this Plum Illuminance deep moisturizing cream. I really like this cream a lot, so I just take this much and I apply it all over my face, and it smells really nice. Then I apply my eye cream. I use the Woodtray under eye cream. Finishing off with applying a lip balm. If I can open my lip balm. Okay, so this is the Baby Lips Bright Out Loud. The shade is Beaming Violet. It's my favorite. So I don't know if you can tell, but the pack has definitely taken off the tan. The tan has not completely gone, but little bit lightened. That it has made my skin a little bit lighter than before. So I am going to continue it for a while, and I hope you try this face pack, and do let me know in the comment if you have tried it, what you feel about this face pack. And please, if you haven't tried this face pack, please do try it, because it's very nice. It does scrub, it cleanses your face, it tones your face, it moisturizes your face. So I think it's a definitely it's a definite try, or it's a definite all-in-one skincare product, or skincare DIY, whatever you want to call it, project or whatever. I just hope you try it, and do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. And as I said, I don't want to fool you guys. That's why I don't wear makeup in my DIY or my skincare videos. please bear this face. If you don't like this face, please leave. And please don't drop any hate comment. I just it breaks my heart. Please, if you don't like my face, just don't watch my video. That's it. And I hope you like this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.